Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. This is another Christmas DIY video. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so this is my first time, so I want to put that out there, but I wanted to give it a try as well. So you will need two bills, okay? So first thing you want to do is fold them both in half, the long way, like so. Okay, I have both of my bills folded in half. Then you want to take one bill and place it inside of the other bill on the edge, okay? Like so. And make sure that they both align on the sides like this, where they're both facing outward for the opening. With the opening is facing outward. I'm sorry. I don't want to make this complicated because I am new to this, so, okay? I'm going to give a bunch of demonstrations. Okay, so the next step is to wrap your bills around, okay, until you get all the way to the end, just like so. And you're going to repeat that on the same with the next bill, but you're going to unravel the first one. So unravel the first one, but don't move it. You're going to take this bill and you're going to wrap it around the other bill, like so, all the way till you get to where that part is hanging, okay? Now you're going to unravel both. Once you unravel both of these, you're now going to tuck one bill into the other end. Next, you want to take this end of the bill and you're going to insert it on top, like so, okay? And now it's snug. It's not going anywhere. It's not moving. Next, you want to take this bill and you want to place it on the inside of that one, okay? Place it in the inside. Now you can see the box is already forming, but what I did was I purchased these little Christmas presents from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to place those inside so that the box holds its shape. It like fits perfectly inside. And then you want to just close up the top. That wasn't bad at all. I thought this was very, very difficult when I first looked at the video, but it's not bad at all. Looking at, here is our box. Now I'm going to take my ribbon because I want to create like a little present effect, right? Take my ribbon, place it at the bottom, cross it over, like so. And I don't know exactly how I'm going to tie a bow per se, but yeah, that might not happen, y'all. I might just have to just tie it in the knot. So this is what we have. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my ornament, the one that splits in half, and I'm going to put some little snow, some little fake snow that I purchased from the Dollar Tree inside, just to make it a bit more festive. Okay. Yeah, that should be enough. Now I'm going to take my bills. I'm going to have them like hanging out. I'm going to place it like right in the center. Okay, close. Okay, guys, so this is the final reveal. This turned out really cute. For this to be my first time, I think that I did a pretty good job. You all can see it and tell exactly what I was going for, so I wasn't too far off. Okay, but let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. So this is the end of the tutorial. I will be coming on with more money gift ideas because I'm into this money gift thing all of a sudden. So I will be back, okay? So again, if you all like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share with your family and friends. Stay tuned because you know we have plenty more videos coming soon.